today at Coney Island for a Jordan brand event for the Air Jordan XIII He Got game. I've never actually been to Coney Island, which is kind of crazy. So let's go see what's going on around this area. We'll check out some shoes. We'll check out some drones apparently too. So apparently the way this event's gonna work is people are actually picking up their pairs that they won on the sneakers app. So I think there's a limited number of pairs that are going out that way. I don't know if we get a free pair. That'd be nice if I could get a pair, but we'll see what happens. If not, not a big deal. But they've also got some sneaker customization going on. They've got some like 3-point competitions, all sorts of crazy stuff like that. It hasn't actually started yet. I think it's running a little bit late, but it should be a good time. Gave me a pair of sneakers to get customized by this awesome customizer named Nam. He's actually a military veteran and only uses materials that he learned how to use in the military, which is crazy. It's an awesome story. The shoes look sick. I actually went with, I think, like a... Actually, no, I'm not going to tell you guys. You have to wait and see. But my pair should be done soon. I'm really excited to check it out. I'm also debating whether I can wear it or not because I don't want to destroy like a really beautiful custom. We'll see. While I'm waiting for my pair to be customized, I ran into the son of some man, my friend Ed.
What's good, guys?
Queens, and we're just checking out the game. We're seeing what's going on. I think it's a 3-point contest, and then there's gonna be one-on-ones and things like that. I'm not gonna do it because I don't need to be shown up at a Jordan brand event because what if they don't invite me back? But it looks really cool. They're actually letting people from the public do it now. It's not just like a sneakers app thing anymore. And there's some pretty decent people in Brooklyn. And if you couldn't tell from my giant forehead, it's hot as shit. It's nuts. I'm sweating like crazy. Yo, so here they are, my custom Air Jordan XIII He Got games by Nam. Yo, these are fire. These are sick. Check them out.
I'll let him do the interview.
This pair is actually a really special pair customized by this guy named Nam, who's actually a war vet. And what he does is he actually uses materials that he learned how to use in the military to customize his shoes. And it's really cool because this stuff right here isn't just regular paint, it's actually Plasti Dip. So he dips the shoes in there and then pulls them out, and then after they cure, they're actually winterized. So the water isn't gonna ruin these, snow, whatever. You can take these pretty much in any condition, which is incredible. He also switched out the laces so they match the color of the sole of the shoe. Kind of looks like almost a designer shoe because it kind of like simplifies this whole base area, which I think is fire. And you know, of course I had to go with the yellow and blue. And the reason I went with yellow and blue instead of like blue and red or just all red or something like that is because I have a bunch of red Jordans. So having a pair that's like 2 different colors that I don't have a lot of, I have a lot of blue ones, but not a lot of yellow ones. I think it's cool to have like something different to mix it up. So guys, Ed and I are sufficiently burned and sweaty, so I think it's time for us to leave this event, but it was an awesome event. Huge thank you to Jordan Brand and everyone involved for bringing me out and giving me this incredible pair of customs. Huge shout out to Nam for that. But like, it was a really great day. The 13 He Got games are incredible. I should be getting a pair in soon, so a review will be coming soon, so stay tuned for that.